Hello guys, this is Federico from EasyBiz. Welcome back to our channel. In this video I show you our VidTsunami review. I will explain what it is, how it works, and exactly everything you find inside. I will also show you the demo and the pricing as well, so make sure to stay until the end to get everything you need. Before I start, I quickly show you the bonus page. If you decide to purchase the product, you can do through the first link in the description below, and immediately after the purchase you will find a ton of high-value extra bonuses included. They are custom made by us, so you can't find them anywhere else. Plus, you get all the vendor bonuses that allow you to get the most results using VidTsunami. All of them are designed to help you improve your web marketing skills. You learn the fundamental strategies for generating traffic, leads and sales for any type of online business. So let's go on the page where you can find all these details and you can check it for yourself too. So let's get started. In the recent years, video has been the main focus of online marketing. Videos are used for many different things. They are still the most common way to talk to customers. They are popular because they are easy to watch and save time, and then they can also tell a lot of information in just a few minutes. This is why video search sites like YouTube have grown so much. But the question is, how to make good videos that get a lot of people to watch them? This is hard to do when millions of videos are uploaded every hour, and it's hard for new channels to start up with the goal of ranking high in the search bar. As viewers' expectations rise, making videos is getting harder to do well. Videos need good content. It is very important. If you know how to use the power of videos, you can make a lot of money on YouTube. You can make money with a YouTube channel in many ways, such as selling your own or affiliate products, courses, mentorships, ads and sponsorships. The solution that VidTsunami brings is the simplification of the whole process of video production. Now you can create as many videos as you like without ever worrying about the complexity of video editing, audio editing, and save thousands of dollars on video creation costs. So this is the easiest, fastest and the most stress-free way to create videos and get more traffic from YouTube and Google. In a few clicks and a few minutes, you can create yourself an engaging video without showing your face ready to be launched on YouTube and receive traffic. You just enter a script or an article link, select a template, and the software generates a complete video with images and videos inherent to the text you entered. Next, you can customize and add subtitles, background music and voice, which you can do yourself or with the tool's artificial intelligence. So if you are doing affiliate marketing, you are a YouTuber, you are a blogger or a coach or a founder or a social media marketer, this software is really useful for you to speed up your video content creation and multiply your revenue. It is 100% cloud-based, so there is no need for you to install anything. Now I start a demo video showing the features and then I come back with the pricing.
10 ways to create generational wealth. You've worked hard your entire life, and you're finally able to amass a nice nest egg. But you don't want that money to just disappear when you die. You want it to help your family for generations to come. It can be tough to think about the future, especially when you're busy living in the present. But if you want your money to last, it's important to start planning for the future now. There are a few different ways that you can create generational wealth. Some popular methods include investing in real estate, stocks, and business.
Okay, let's talk about pricing. You basically have the front end at $17. You have the full program. You can export up to 60 videos per month, up to 10 minutes each, with all the features included. Then you have the Auto One at $37, the Pro Edition. You can export up to 250 videos per month, up to 20 minutes each. You have the Thumbnail Creator, the Plus Voiceover, and commercial rights included. Then you have the Auto 2 at $47, the SEO edition. You can optimize the SEO of your videos and rank better for certain keywords. Then you have the Auto 3 at $47, the traffic edition, where you can turn your video into multiple micro videos to share on social media with the ability to edit them all together. Then you have the Auto 4 at $127 and $147, the agency edition, where you have up to 250 accounts to give access to your customers. Of course, you are not required to take all these upgrades. To get started, you just need the front end, and then eventually, based on what you want to accomplish, you will choose the upgrade that is most appropriate or that you like best. So what is our final opinion? We like the software, we're using it too, and it really speeds up your content production process a lot. Very easy to use for people starting from scratch. This software fits most niches perfectly. So guys, that's all for today. Thank you so much for checking out my review. If you want to get started with VidTsunami and all our bonuses, just click the link in the description below. Also subscribe and like this video if it was helpful. We appreciate it. For any question, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon.